To enable or disable app notifications on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we can open settings on our phone. Then over here in settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to notifications. Once you open notifications, then in here, you should be able to find app notifications. And then here we can find a couple of example apps for which you can easily toggle notifications completely. You can also tap on the most recent in order to switch to all apps, so you can actually see the full list of apps that you have, and you can see which apps have notifications enabled and which apps do not have that enabled. In many cases, you can also go to the app itself in order to find some further settings that allow you to adjust notifications. For example, in many cases, you can toggle specific notifications. So while you might not want to completely turn off notifications for a specific app, you might want to disable some of these notifications. So if the app sends you some notifications that you find useless, then of course you can just turn it off over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.